Hi, it's Noe with WTI. And if you're looking for a great way to circulate air or to cool down a small space, then check out this ceiling fan from Amico. We specifically got this ceiling fan for our bedroom to allow air to circulate better in the summer months. One of my favorite things is just how quiet this fan is. This fan delivers nothing but a nice, quiet, cool breeze. It has the ability to put this on a timer for 1 hour, 2 hours, or 4 hours. Another great thing is that these blades are reversible. It comes with the color brown on one side and the color black on the other. You can use either side. I think it's great that it comes with a light, which makes it functional. The dome for the light is glass. And of course, you can control the light with the remote. I love the motor options on this fan as well. It allows you to direct wind or airflow one way for the winter and allows you to reverse it the other way for summer. We are definitely fans of this Amico ceiling fan, and I think you will be too. And that's our point of view.